Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about undiscovered gold and uranium deposits of India. This video is not for common man. This video is only for people who are involved or engaged in the activity of exploring for mineral deposits of gold, uranium, platinum and other things. Basically, my idea is only to highlight the point that there is a link between polymetallic nodules and deposit of minerals, that is mineralization. There are huge quantities of, see, in geology there is a concept called present is the key to the past. What is happening today was happening in the geological past also. In the all over the world, there are polymetallic nodules found at seabed. All the seas, all the oceans, all the lakes have these polymetallic nodules. Well over about 220 billion dry metric tons of polymetallic nodules are estimated to be available at seabed. In a zone called Clarion-Clipperton Zone between Hawaii Islands and Mexico, about 500 million metric tons of these polymetallic nodules are available. In the central Indian Ocean, about 380 million dry metric tons of these nodules are there. Polymetallic nodules are basically they are also called manganese nodules or ferromanganese nodules. They contain all minerals like iron, manganese, zinc, cobalt, gold, copper, mercury, platinum, all minerals. How they are formed? All these rivers which are flowing into the sea are carrying not only water, also they carry huge millions of tons of sediments, rock particles, along with the mineral particles. Mineral particles as well as minerals in solution form. The seawater will not hold all these minerals and sedimentary particles. They have to settle at the bottom, sea bottom. The minerals will precipitate and settle at the bottom at a deeper level, 5,000 to 6,000 meter level, as concretions. They are called polymetallic nodules. It starts from the size may range from microscopic size to 20 centimeter in diameter size. They are like eggs or potatoes lying at the sea bottom. As they grow in size, they will sink. They will sink into the mud, that is the sediments. Once they sink, they go to the deeper part of the sea. There is temperature, high temperature, there is high pressure. This earth has many plates. There are continental plates, they are called continental plates. They move, they migrate. Due to this plate tectonic movement, pressure is developed. Also at its 5,000, 6,000 meter depth in sea, there will always be some volcanic eruptions. They also give temperature, they add temperature. See, most of these minerals are supplied by volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruption, the rocks come from the deeper part of the earth, either the lower part of crust or the upper part of mantle. The rocks come to the surface, into sea or into the continental area. They only supply all these minerals. So these polymetallic nodules at a deeper level, 500 to 600 degrees Celsius temperature develops. There they get metamorphosed. The rocks, sediments get metamorphosed into metamorphic rocks. Same way these minerals also, these concretions or the polymetallic nodules also will get metamorphosed. They will get disintegrated into various minerals. Like iron will get segregated at one place and get deposited. Manganese will be at a different place close to where iron is deposited. Platinum is the having the highest density, so they will be settling at the bottommost level. Gold comes next. Gold will be deposited at a level below iron, manganese, and copper, above platinum. Like this disintegration and segregation takes place. Due to this tectonic movement, shear zones develop. These minerals will be squeezed along with water into the shear zones or fractures and fault zones. That is, for example, gold will get mixed with silica particles. They will be injected into wherever there is some space, shear zones, faults or folds. The gold deposit need not take place at the place where polymetallic metal nodules were found. They can be found elsewhere also, maybe 100 kilometers away also they can be found. This is how mineralization happens. I glanced through geological report of various mines, including a few mines in Canada, a few mines in Australia, America, Jaduda mines in Ranchi near Jharkhand, Khetri copper mines of Rajasthan. I have glanced through the geological report of Kolar gold mine, the iron ore mines of Bellaris area. I have gone through, but I have not found a single report saying that the polymetallic nodules of the geological past only are available today for mining as mineral deposits. There is no link. The scientists, the geologists have not linked the polymetallic nodules of the past to the present day mineral deposits. With that purpose only I made this video. See, once we understand this concept that polymetallic nodules of the geological past only are available as mineral deposits in the continental area today, it becomes easier to locate the mineral deposits where we have not found so far. For example, we have found uranium deposit in Jaduda mines and other mines in the Jharkhand area, but we have not found gold. We have not found copper in that area. Copper, gold has to be there in that area. Platinum deposits have to be there in that area. Same way, copper ore we have found in Khetri copper mines in Rajasthan. Gold we have not found. Uranium we have not found. We have to look for these deposits there. Same way, in Bellary area we have not found uranium or gold. The area between Bellary and Mangalore, that belt, is a potential area for looking for this kind of deposits, uranium, gold deposits and other mineral deposits. Same way, the area between Salem and Hosur, Salem and Kolar area, that is seems to be a basin, geological basin of the past, up to the area covering up to Tiruvannamalai. That area is also a good area for exploration for this kind of minerals, especially gold and uranium. See, entire Western Ghat was once upon a time, 5-10 million ago, was overlain by metamorphic rocks, again overlain by sediment rocks. They all have been washed away. Now only plutonic rocks are there, mostly. Wherever we find metamorphic rocks, especially phyllites, ferruginous shale schist, Belsmati quartzite, volcanic rocks, andalusite, chlorite schist, this kind of, there are so many metamorphic rocks which they are called para-metamorphic rocks, originated from sedimentary rocks. There we can also look for this kind of minerals. In plutonic rocks, intrusive igneous rocks, granite rocks we cannot find. The entire Maharashtra is covered with volcanic rocks. In the eastern part, southeastern part, there is scope to find these minerals at greater depth because that area was under sea. Entire India was under sea once upon a time. Entire India was covered with the sea. Everywhere there were deposits, but then we have to identify potential areas for exploration. So this much only I wanted to say, especially the link between polymetallic nodules and the mineralization. That is what I want to say. Once we understand, we accept this concept that present day mineral deposits have originated from the polymetallic nodules of the past, identification, location, exploration for these minerals become easier. I hope my video has been understood to some extent by the, not by the common man, by the, especially the geologists. If you say it, yes, it is worth listening to, give liking and subscribe. Thank you very much.